shaving all my hair off.
That's a gig?
That's a flip YouTube for my fan and viewers.
Yeah, but see, I get ready.
You're ready, not eating on it. We get past here, like different. No, artists over here, our streets catch you, I'm sure fast love, you know. Yeah, sure, Bill's got me really well.
Oh, Bill's really gone, right? Hit the feet.
You know, you get my. Look, see, you first is really good.
Galvaniskis un skalbota, galosa, galnāsas, viņš nav milzu.
You know, switch the number again. Come on. Shaving all my hair off. I do my own style. You ready? It's coming off the head. Here I am today. It's just a bright, sunshiny one.
Bumpin' it's Strati and my bro with me. Talking about you.
Say coming down with me. We couldn't wait.
Here you are today, in the corner of Mickey D Express, here we stay.
Come on, Strati, help me out with this.
You know that lady? Hey.
Yeah, she's
come and be in YouTube.
Come on down and say your name. Come on. I got seashells in my Sharpies. I don't got nothing done.
Show
About
us
to hit the
your
pool.
titties.
When it's not, I gotta take off all my shirts, Strati. Come on now. I got hair in my titties right there, man.
So what's the moral of the story?
Moral of the story is I am blessed to see you. Again, I get on my knees and beg you. I need a 20 beans. And I'm staying just like this, bro, and I have to. Shaving all my hair off.
That's a gig?